Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to compress a video file in online. Yes, we can compress MP4 video format free from online within 2 minutes from 500 MB file to 50 MB file. In this video I would like to share how to compress a video file in online, easy step. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. In my desktop, so I have a video file. This is my video file. So I would like to compress this file. I would like to share with this one as a WhatsApp or Facebook or any other social media. If the file size, I would like to see the file size of the video, means just right click on the file size and go to properties. So automatically properties, you will get a file size, that is size 275 MB. This file size is 275 MB. If I want to share this one as a social media or any other WhatsApp, means I cannot able to share because the WhatsApp only allow 25 MB files and more than the social medias will allow the reduced number of file size. So I would like to compress the file size and I would like to share with this video to my WhatsApp or Facebook or any other social medium. So what I should do? First, go to Google browser and search MP4 compressor. So it will direct you to the mp4compressor.com. So this is a cool website which has no login and no time delay. Automatically it will compress your video and it will direct to you. So this is a easy website. I have given the description link. Just click the link, automatically mp4compressor.com will open there. So here how to do that. So MP4 compressor video file, a free online MP4 video compressor that can compress MP4 video to make them smaller without losing the quality. This is the most important. Without losing the quality, the video will come with the clear amount and the minimal size. So how to do that? Just click the select file and select where your video file. Just select the file and click open. So automatically your file name will come here. Just click upload video. While you click upload video, your video will be uploading simultaneously, your video will be compressing. So this uploading will take 2 to 3 minutes time. Automatically it will compress. Have you seen the file is completed? Download file. So 24.87 MB minus 90.98% is compressed. Just click download file. Automatically my file downloading will be started over there. So from 250 MB to 24 MB is file. My MP4 format is compressed. You need to wait for the minute. Automatically this will complete their work process. So just click open and file and folder. Just click properties and check your file. Yes, 24.8 MB file, the MP4 format, without losing my quality. Have you checked? My quality is not lost anywhere. So my quality is there. For example, this is a video which has, so this is a video, source video, which has around 275 MB file. So the same video that I have compressed, it comes around 24.8 MB. So this is an easy way you can compress your video and you can share with your social media, with your friends or anywhere else. So this is an easy format. Without any login, we can able to upload your video and download your video with this option. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.